Speaking of my championship-winning Knicks, let's check out the man cave of former New York Knick Kenyon Martin. His 15,000 square foot Texas estate hit the market for $4.5 million. And sis, the star of the house wasn't the foyer, the kitchen, or the stunning backyard. It was the collection of his man caves. Yep, more than one. Downstairs, you'll find 4 bowling lanes, a state-of-the-art movie theater, a game room, and a full bar. And the outside, you'll find a basketball court, a resort-style pool, water slides, and even dolphin fountains. But here's what I love. The space is built for family, friends, and making memories. Because at the end of the day, Kenyon didn't just create places to play. He created places where people want to gather. And to me, that right there is a sleigh. Now, if Kenyon's retreat is all about entertainment, Terry Crews's is all about inspiration. Actor, artist, furniture designer, and former NFL player Terry Crews doesn't dedicate a room to his man cave. No, ma'am. Instead, he enjoys an entire downtown Los Angeles loft as his private space. He calls it his fortress of solitude. The view alone is incredible. And considering one of Terry's first jobs in Los Angeles was sweeping floors in a factory, it's a powerful reminder of just how far he's come. One wall constantly changes as he swaps out books, artwork, and objects that inspire him. Also showcased in this room is this Lego Batmobile. Terry, a huge Lego fan, is super proud of this as it was a project completed by he and his son. Music lovers will also appreciate the framed album covers from A Tribe Called Quest, EPMD, De La Soul, and Public Enemy. They line the walls. According to Terry, these artists helped shape the way he sees the world. And then there's the toy room. You're immediately greeted by textured Star Wars wallpaper. It's unique and incredibly impressive because most people, including me, didn't even know something like that existed. And while you're taking it all in, peep the bookcase that cleverly flips down into a bed to maximize space. Terry Crews's loft isn't just a man cave, it's a visual autobiography. Every object tells a story, and that right there is a sleigh. If you haven't already, subscribe, y'all. We're on a mission to get 10,000 sisters strong over the next 6 months. So join our sisterhood and get the decor that counts. Our final celebrity proves that sometimes the best man caves aren't built just for fun and games. Sometimes they're built to handle business. Actor and producer Julius Tennon, husband of Viola Davis, says his favorite room in the house is his office. After seeing it, I completely understand. The floor-to-ceiling windows overlook lush greenery and flood the room with natural light, creating a calm and inspiring place to work. Before acting, Julius played football, and just like his career, his office is equal parts discipline, purpose, and heart, and custom built-ins filled with books, awards, and family memories. Instead of hiding his life's milestones, he displays them proudly. There's a workspace for getting things done, a giant television for catching the game. It's sophisticated, it's comfortable, and it proves a retreat doesn't have to be over the top to absolutely slay. So now it's time to hear from you. Which one of these sleighs would you choose for your man, your man, your man? Would it be Kenyon's bowling paradise, Terry's creative loft, or Julius's office retreat? Meet me down in the comments with your response. Before we close, I'd like to leave you with your soft life moment. Sis, can I tell you something? Sometimes the soft life isn't a luxury vacation. It isn't a designer handbag, and it isn't a $1 million home. Sometimes a soft life is simply having a corner of your world that brings you peace. A favorite chair by the window, fresh flowers on the table, a cup of tea before everyone wakes up, or 5 uninterrupted minutes to breathe. That's why I love talking about beautiful spaces, because the right space can lower your shoulders, quiet your mind, and remind you that you matter too. Quick temperature check. I just want to make sure you're good. If this is your kind of conversation, I want to invite you to a deeper connection by joining the Redo Room right here on YouTube. This is Black decor with intention and meaning. To join, just click the join button next to subscribe on this video. If you're watching on your phone, tap join right under the video title. Everything happens right here on YouTube. Thanks for hanging out with me today, family. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next soulful, inspirational moment right here on Mommy Room Redo.